everyone, hello and welcome to the Gallivanting Soul and welcome to the Kala Ghoda Art Festival 2025. Well, I'm so glad to be back here after 2 years. Now, I visited the festival in 2023 but never got around to editing that video and showing you all what to expect at a festival like this, which goes on for quite a few days. Now, this year the theme is silver. That's because it's the silver anniversary celebration of the Kala Ghoda festival. So it's the 25th year, and that's the reason why they also started the festival on 25th of Jan, and it will go on till I think the 2nd of February. So let's go and check out. Now, from what I can just get visuals from here at the entrance is that all the art installations are horses, and there are many unique ones. So come on, let's head in and see what to expect this time.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Afternoon, we lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild.
You can see there are lots of stalls over here, so right from artwork items to food stuff, slippers. I mean, you can get a lot of stuff over here that you can even shop for. Today being a Sunday and 26th of January, the place is even more crowded because it's a holiday and most people can come today. Now, I really didn't have plans to come here today. I had planned to go to the vintage car exhibition, but the chaos was so much over there, it was impossible to get an entry. So then, since I was in this part of the city, I said I may as well pop in over here because I'm not sure I'm going to have time to come back. So what I'm going to do is add in some snippets of some of the kind of functions that they have during the course of the festival. They have art, cinema, live performances. There's so much. So I'm going to put in snippets from my 2023 visit, over here. So you'll get an idea of what to expect, and you can still make it here and go to their official page and check out their daily, events that are happening all across the city. So I've just come out of the Kala Ghoda area where they have all the artworks, and now that you've seen what's happening here, I'm heading off to the Cooperage bandstand where they are having some events in the evening. Now the Cooperage bandstand doesn't have events as regularly, and that's something that has been on my list for the longest time ever. So this was the best opportunity for me to go and see what's happening. And well, to know more, join me. Let's head off to the Cooperage bandstand and see what's there tonight. The last performance is on. It's almost 10 p.m. I have really enjoyed myself today, and especially enjoyed these live performances here at the Cooperage bandstand. It was absolutely amazing. Well, there are lots more events happening over the next few days, and I hope I can come back again next year because it's been absolutely brilliant.
Stage, you know what that can be like. If I look at you, those people don't see you. If you go that side, then you will see me. Let me see the love in your eyes. You never know the reason. Wow, you know, it's such a fabulous audience.
Thank you. All right, we'll come back next year. Remember to support the arts. Remember to support Kala Ghoda.
Well, my short visit to the Kala Ghoda Art Festival again has been amazing. I hope you enjoyed this video and got a glimpse of what to expect this year, on its 25th celebration. But now it's time for me to roll. This is Merlin, the Gallivanting Soul, signing off from the Kala Ghoda Art Festival in Mumbai. I will see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.